And look at you. What about you, Jesse? Love you, love you, love you. And that handsome devil.
Hello, how are you?
Such a treat.
We just got to our room.
Yeah. And Tatiana goes to post it. I want to see you post it. You bring that shit down. You like how I'm mumbling all the words?
Mm-hmm, because you don't know them.
I mean, you know, I know like every other third word of every other sentence of every other lyric. I got the juice today. I'm very hyper. We've just arrived in Jackson Hole with Ole Henriksen. I'm so excited because you know they are like one of my favorite brands. And Ule's here. I love him so much. I love him. I'm so happy. We're so excited. I'm so happy to be here. It's so stunning. It looks like a postcard. Look at this. Mira. Por acá. The guys took over the vlog, huh?
They fucking tagged me with that shit?
I don't know. I did not know what happened at that end of the table.
To caption it?
We don't know. Basically, we just had dinner, and the boys were fucking around the whole time.
You guys, I didn't hear one thing that you said the whole night. That's
How does our glow look, though?
That's a bit.
Can I see your glow, please? Glow? Karen, close out the night.
Alright guys, we're going out. Bye.
Alright, so we are about to head over to meet with Mr. Ula. I love my one-on-ones with him because he gives me all the skincare tea, all the tips, tricks, what I should be doing. And then we're gonna go snowmobiling.
Let's go snowmobiling.
Snowmobiling. My nose is running and my eyes are watering.
Sounds like a perfect combination.
It's just amazing for me.
Good luck with that.
Where are you, Steve? How are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
Jessica again. Things are great. Sit down.
Good morning. Hi, how's it going?
Hello, Stephen. Looking at the range, you are so familiar with these products. Have you ever used, by the way, Power Peel? The Power Peel kit with the 3 trays, the 1, 2, 3?
No, I always get scared of the word peel.
Yeah. So the Power Peel, what you love is, it is a physical exfoliant first, bamboo stem powder, oatmeal, honey, walnut, polished smooth, refined, rinse it off. The lemon peel, 3 minutes on the skin, you feel a tingling, no irritation, but definitely a tingling. Leave that on to the chamomile on top, immediate calming, soothing, huge.
How often do you do it?
So I would do twice a month. It's also the retexturizing and age preventative for someone young and beautiful like you.
Very
so,
young.
Yeah, no, you are, come on.
So young, I'm like
How
a
old
baby.
are you now?
I'm like a newborn.
How old
I've
are
been
you?
27 for like
Oh my God.
a while now.
No, you know what, you can be whatever age you want because for you're the kind of woman, when you are going to be in your 40s, you're going to be forever ageless. Your energy, your beauty, and the way you take care of yourself.
You ready?
We're ready.
You ready?
I'm definitely ready.
Are you ready?
We're about to go snowmobiling. That's all I have to say about that, actually. We got Karen here.
What the heck?
Patricia. Mariam.
What on earth is that?
What? Jamie. Everyone's locked and loaded. Loving your sunglasses. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. They really give me nothing back there. You know, I thought they were gonna be like, woo! Nothing. You ready, boo?
Ready, girl?
Yep.
Yeah?
Don't crash, okay?
I'll try not to.
Oh my God, the best thing I've seen. Look at them.
Damn, Desi, you're a little speed demon.
Stop it.
No, you went faster than me.
Oh, okay, get out of here.
Solid.
It would like a Nordic libation.
Kill me, right?
No.
What's gonna kill you?
It'll make you feel good.
Nordic libation. I've never had it.
No. Never
Whoa. Cinnamony.
That is good.
Spicy.
Now that I'm off the hot toddies, there's a great saying that I go by. It's better to ask for forgiveness than for permission. Remember that. It's easy to say sorry. It's hard to ask for something though.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sebastian. How's Karen like that rule?
You know, at first you didn't like it, but then you start understanding the benefits from it.
What you don't know can't hurt you.
Yeah. You know my saying already? What's my saying?
It's better to ask for forgiveness than permission.
Told you. And at first you didn't
It works
agree.
all the time. Oh wait, that doesn't work for me.
Oh, it doesn't work for you. Okay, that's what I was going
Listen, that
for.
rule only works with like we travel or something, but and a relationship, no.
Are you gonna go in the hot tub?
I don't understand your English.
Are you going to go in the hot tub?
No. Mi nombre es Sebastian. Y tú no.
Changing rooms.
So there's
There-
two on each side. There's one on the men's and the far side.
You don't need a changing room, buddy.
I think it's just stripping down, guys. Yeah, hot guys milling, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Let's go where? Hot stuff? Oh my god. What a.
You get there? We gotta jump out at least 20 more times.
Yeah, I know. I need a whip.
Your hair right now?
Honestly, okay. Yeah. Thank you. Look at you. You really went on theme. So did I.
They have a whole dressing room.
Oh, cute. We are here in my lodge. We're doing happy hour, and the theme is yeehaw. I'm gonna dress myself up with some of the things that I have here. So maybe if I belt this, it could be a moment. I don't
Kind
know.
of doing the least though.
I'm not done, Steven. We're building.
How's this though for me?
It's a little
Wow.
too accurate.
So handsome.
You are looking hot. Are you feeling like you're in the wild, wild west?
I am.
Yes.
I am. I do.
And what about that husband of yours?
That
oh my
hot
God, Steve.
Cowboy back there behind
He
the
is,
camera.
he's a hot hot. See?
Oh my goodness.
He backs
Please,
away very
please,
well.
don't. He knows he's good looking already. You know, sometimes you just have to be like, oh, you look okay. My cowboy.
You like this
So
look?
handsome. I like when you pretend to take it off and like give a smolder. So handsome. Okay, but don't mess up my hair because then
Oh shit, my
then
bad.
things aren't gonna be good for you, you know?
So what'd you do to me? I saw you in the restaurant.
I have garlic bread. Is that okay?
Loving the vibes like all around right now. It's like fashion.
Everybody, right?
Fashion. Fashion. Fashion.
Damn.
Fashion.
Sebastian.
Yeah.
Sebastian.
Hi, buddy.
Aren't those beautiful eyes?
How cute, huh? You want one?
Beautiful eyes.
Hi.
You know, you think the bulls with the big, impressive animals, they're the ones in charge. That's not the case. Elk are actually a matriarchal society. It's the cow elk that run the show.
Oh, that's what I like to hear.
And
That's
so,
this society here too as well.
there you go.
So cool.
It reminded me kind of like South Africa, but not really.
Well, it was like a snow safari.
Snow sport, I like that.
Snow safari, super cool. Am I glowy? Look
are
at. Should we
glowy.
photobomb them over there? Are they like?
Oh my God, we should.
Look at. Are
I
they
think
having
we're,
like?
actually,
Look
they're
at. They're taking their glamour shots. Bésalo, bésalo. We're gonna attend line dance. They're actually teaching lessons right now. We're fucking Karen. I'm so sad that this trip is coming to an end. It was so fun. I had such a great time. Everybody here is so cool. I'm just getting ready now for the airport. I don't really get ready, but you know, just a little light concealer. I'm using the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer for the glow, living for the glow. Anyways, this trip was just so fun. I mean, we had a really, really good time. It felt like we were camping, like when you used to camp back in the day with all your friends, or like school field trip type of camp. We had like game nights and we played chess. I found out I'm pretty good at it. Steven found out he's not that good at it. Fun. We went to a bar last night and we line danced and just, you know, had a good old time, but now it's time to go home. So I just wanted to end this vlog with a big thank you to the Ula team. You guys are so amazing, and Ula himself is just the sweetest. I just wonder if he gets exhausted from giving so much positive energy. It's always great hanging out with them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and
Adios.
until next time, my friends. Bye. You have to do it in this lighting, huh? You can't wait till we get back into the room. You can keep vlogging in this lighting if you want to self-sabotage, but I am not gonna have any of it. Karen, the day just started.
They need to go. We're done.
You keep them in the helmet?
Steven, how did it come to this?
You're on your own there, buddy.
It's the life you chose.
What a hunk of meat.
No, I just had like the gnarliest.
Sebastian, you're in my shot.
And I was like,
You mean my nose is in your shot?
You're in my shot.
You guys probably just see a red rotisserie chicken right now.
oh, it's pee. It's a lot of pee.
Oh, that's a lot.
You're doing it wrong, Jamie.
She scared the fuck out of me.
Remember when I was making fun of your hair, Diz?
We just did like little huevitos.